Assalamu alaikum. Today I have decided to speak about one thing, the 3M model. Probably you have heard me saying many times about this 3M model. So I want to speak on the very subject, which is the 3M model, which talks about the model about success for the professionals. I say it like this: 3M model, a highway for professional success. I have seen many professionals after some point of time of their career. Maybe he is a doctor, engineer, accountant, or marketing professional or IT professional. At some point of time, they feel that they hit a plateau, and they don't find any growth in their career. So I hope that 3M model definitely will help people to take them towards the next level, or I would say that it will help us to move toward a highway for professional growth. So let's talk about the first element of the model, and many times I speak about this first element, which is mastery. The professionals are already masters. All the professionals, what if he is a doctor or engineer or accountant or any professionals, they are already a master of a subject. But then again, why I'm speaking about mastery? Because mastery has a different level. I say the getting a professional degree is the first level. The second level is when a professional can explore the continuous growth and continuous expansion and continuous development on the very subject. And these kind of self exploration are a part of this mastery. And this is the second level of that mastery. And third level is when a professional can teach his subject matter to others. That's the third level. So when we all have achieved the third level of mastery, now still people struggle. Still people struggle in their profession or in their career. Why? Because there are some elements are missing. Because to succeed, it requires something more. And what that more is, the second, let me come to the second point of this 3M model. The second point is mesh. We know about mesh, and we hear a lot about mesh. Actually, when we talk about mesh, we talk about people. So this concept of mesh basically is not talking only about people. You can bring other two dimensions of mesh in your profession. What are the two dimensions? The number one dimension, you have to have mesh of people. You have to mix with people of different categories, people from different professions, people from different culture, people from different background. So this will help you to create a mesh of people. So then we need another kind of mesh that you have to consciously build. This is called the mesh of discipline. That means if you are in marketing, you have to connect with another discipline, which may be finance, which may be supply chain, which may be operations, which may be any other subject which more closely connected with the business you are in, the service you are in. Take another subject, another one or two, and bring it and mesh it. That means you will have a different dimension from other disciplines also. If you are working in finance, you start exploring deep things about marketing, business, operations, supply chain, any subject. Even you can bring in law in your perspective. You can bring any subject that you don't feel interested. For example, you can really think about the IT, the software, many things. So the second element I talk about the mesh basically not only about people, it's about three or four things. The number one thing is mesh is for people, number two is for discipline, and also for processes. Whatever processes you are following, you can connect the processes with different aspect. You can think of the modern development of softwares. You can think of AI. You can think of the Internet of Things. If you can connect all these processes with your current subject that you are a master, this will help you for the growth. Actually, it will widen your perspective. So first element is mastery. First aim is for mastery. The second element is the mesh, and the third element for professional success is you have to bring in meaning in your life. So this is very difficult, easy to say but difficult to perform. So how we can bring in meaning in our life? There is only one simple way. If we can connect our profession with a higher mission, and that will give meaning in our life. Let me give you an example. Originally, as a professionals, we only think about ourselves. The moment we will start thinking about our colleagues, our peers, our friends, our families, it will give another level. So this is a higher purpose, because not only living for ourselves, living for others. Then when we connect ourselves for the society as a whole, if we can connect our profession to serve the society, that's a different level of purpose. And even beyond that is, if we can think we can help the country to develop, we can contribute to our profession to our country development, that will give another level of purpose. And finally this is a global world, and we can definitely contribute from the global perspective as well. And lastly, you see, when you can connect your profession to serve Almighty Allah, only then this is the most supreme level of your purpose. If you can serve your Creator, if you can connect your profession to serve your Creator, that's the higher purpose of your life. So slowly, how we create meaning in our life, we connect to the next level of our purpose. So at the same time, we explore our purpose and we take it to the next level, and at the same time we mold our profession, because through these three things, the mastery, mesh and meaning, we continuously mold our profession, and that gives different dimension. And ultimately, as this is a process, and by following this process, we actually reach the highway, and that highway will take us to a different level of success. So this was the small video about 3M, a model for professional success. I hope you will love it, and you will implement in your life. And if you really get some benefit out of this thing, don't forget to share this concept with others. Also, you can share this video with others. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.